fam, Beauty Lamasbella here. Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video I'm bringing back another style fashion video because I found this sweater that I fell in love with, and oh my god, you will not believe how much I paid for this sweater. I paid $6.99 for this sweater at Ross, and it is so versatile. Like when I was playing around with it, I was like, oh my god, it's literally like so annoying how cheap this piece was. I was like, oh my god, like I'm angry. It was that good. Anyway, it was a really good buy. I'm so glad that I bought it because when I started playing around with it, I was like, oh my god, this sweater can be worn so many different ways. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I'll give you guys a breakdown while I'm showing you how I styled it. I genuinely love finding versatile pieces like this because you can put your own creative spin to it. You can use it in so many different ways, style it in so many different ways, and it's just one garment. So one garment can take you in so many different directions and give you so many different looks. As always, I don't like to drag my outros, like I don't like to drag my intros. If you have any questions regarding any garment that you see in today's video, feel free to sound off in the comment section below, but I'll try to be as informative as I can be down in the description. So we're just gonna jump right in.
Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair flow when the wind blows. Even if the money been slow, hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me.
Okay, so the first look is a fairly simple look. It's all about the detail in the cuff. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck all of this in, and then I'm also going to go ahead and tuck my cuffs because like I said, it's all about the details. This one is fairly simple, but it adds dimension and it just kind of cinches your waist a lot. I really love this look. So the second one just adds a little bit more flow to your look. If you don't like to be so cinched at the waist, it just adds like a little flowy aspect to it, keeping the cuffs tucked in just to keep that detail. My third look is probably my favorite look. I love anything off the shoulders, and this was just such an easy look to achieve. All I had to do was just take off the first button, and then I went ahead and took off the cuffs just to give off that look of the oversized sweater vibe that I love. So for the fourth look, I was going for a sexy, lacy vibe. Everybody knows I love a sexy lace. So I went ahead and threw the sweater over it. I tucked it in just to keep that dimension and that curve that I love to style so much. I went ahead and cuffed the sleeves again for this look just to add, you know, that nice thick dimension. And then I went ahead and threw it off the shoulder just to give it that nice, you know, cute, chic, playing around, kind of sexy vibe. So for my last look, I went ahead and added a nice little bandeau. This is my sporty look. This is like if you have zero time to get dressed and you just have to throw something on. I went ahead and pushed the sleeves up just a little bit so it's more sporty, kept it open, and that's the simplest look. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to sound off in the comment section below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.